What's up, y'all? It's your girl Breezie and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a gray with green highlights on her. So now I'm gonna take my sea breeze and I'm gonna clean my edges and get the excess glue off and some of the makeup that might be in the way of the frontal. You want to make sure you have a nice clean palette so your frontal can stick nice and tight.
What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy and we are back with her. So today we have a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much BilaceWig for sending us this beautiful 613 lace front wig. So you already know her picked this color out. I'm just doing it for her. She's doing a gray with a patch of lime green. So what I'm doing to get the gray is doing watercolor with jet black rinse. So I definitely want to do this in stages because you can go too light, but once you go too dark, there's no turning back. So I noticed the wig looks a little green, so I'm going to try to cancel it by making it cool with some African violet. Then I'm going to add some more black and re-dip the wig. Okay, it's almost there, but not quite. Okay, I like that. We're gonna keep this color. So for this lime green patch, we're kind of doing it on the side like a Wiz Khalifa patch. So here it goes. So I went ahead and rinsed the wig out, molded it, sit it under the dryer for about 10 minutes, and here it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the top and get ready for some crimps. I know that was a shocker. I'm sorry I lost like half of my footage when I first started, but I'm still gonna show you guys how I did these crimps. Alright, so first I'm going to part out some hair no longer than 3 inches wide. Take my spritz, spread the top and the bottom, and comb it out. Now I'm going to take my crimping iron, flatten the top, and then do my first curl. This video is going in fast motion, but I'm actually keeping each curl on there for about 5 seconds straight. So the rest I'm going to curl on her head after I apply her frontal. Oh, sorry to stop this so soon guys, but go ahead and tune into part 2 right now. Ever since I started my YouTube channel, it's like so many opportunities have just been coming my way. It's like, why didn't I do this a long time ago? Because I thought I was losing something by showing girls how to do a frontal. Who am I?
I am currently at Breezie's Galaxy Girl seminar we have going on. The Beauty Masterminds is great. It's better than I thought it would be. I get to network with people, but we're also getting questions answered. So it's definitely a class you don't want to miss. So you get way much more than you think you'll get.
We're at the Beauty Masterminds networking event. It's a networking event about people that have businesses. It's tips of the trade you're not going to find it anywhere else but here. We have Erica here, and tell us a little bit about your business.
I have a cleaning business here in Atlanta. This event actually helped me a lot. I went to the last event and she helped me on trying to be consistent, trying to be more like showing before and after.
I'm having so much fun today at the Beauty Mastermind with Breezie. Okay, we've been talking just a lot about how to be a business owner even if you're not in the hair industry. I'm a lash tech myself and I gained a lot of knowledge just about how to push through, to keep going, stay motivated.
I'm here at the Easy Breezy Women Empowerment and it is amazing and I'll definitely be back for the next event.
I'm here to network with people. I'm from Pittsburgh and I plan on moving to Atlanta. I just want to network with different people down here and get more and more advice to help everyone become successful.
Okay, with a red crew. Alright. Your head, your tail. Let's get it. Tail! Every cosmetology test is made out of 2 parts of what else it says.
Theory and practice.
What color cancels out green?
What color cancels out green? It's not yellow.
What color does the product shimmer lights cancel?
Brassy. The orange brassy.
Alright, you ready? You ready? What color does the product shimmer lights cancel?
Say blonde.
What is the product color oops used for?
To correct the mistake.
What day do stylists normally take off?
Sunday.
What 2 payroll systems can a salon be based upon?
POS.
What does that mean?
commission, or you can pay booth rent.
What is a man's hairpiece formally called?
Toupee.
What inch hair did Nicki Minaj bring back into style?
40, 50.
Oh, which one?
40.
The winner of the Beauty Mastermind. Come on.
It's the winner.
It's T1. Thank you all for coming.
Y'all are a great group, by the way.
Yeah, this was so fun. This is Easy Breezy, and we just wrapped up the very first Beauty Mastermind event. If you didn't make it to this one, make sure you catch us next time. See y'all later.